Oh, oh my god. No. Oh my god. Tower of Hell, but I'm in first person only. Let's see how this is. This is already a very bad idea, by the way. Let's go. Okay. Overlapped. Okay, this feels so weird. Can I avoid this? Okay, let's keep going. Oh my god. No. First stage already, bro. Are you serious right now, bro? Alright, let's go. Let's see if I can beat a tower. Okay. Jump. Jump, 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 jump. Look up for safety. Again. Chat. Oh my god, I'm stuck over here. Okay, somehow made it. Okay, this looks like a huge kill brick. Oh my god, this is a nightmare. This is so hard. Okay, I'm going so slow because I have to. Okay. What is this? Saturn. Oh my god, you're joking. How can I beat this stage? What? Oh my god. I'm cooked. I'm actually cooked. Oh my god. Trust my instincts on everything. Okay, jump. Okay, my instincts say I'm close enough. Okay. Okay, jump over here. Jump. Jump, jump, jump. Okay, I'm doing pretty well so far. Hopefully I do not curse it. Are you joking? Are you joking? Are you serious? Oh my god. How will I do this? No way I do this, man. This challenge is... Oh my god. This requires so much precision. Okay. Okay, this shouldn't be too hard. Seems like a simple stage. Okay, look up, look up. Always look up. Because you need to. What is this? Forced hell? Are you serious? Oh my. GG's, bro. GG's. This is how Tower of Hell in first person looks like, but I can't even see my own feet when I'm jumping. Dang it. Okay. Boom. Oh my god. Boom. Oh my god. Boom. Boom. Ah! Let's go! Somehow made it. Somehow made it. Somehow made it. I swear to god, somehow made it. Oh my god. Yo, I'm buying extra time. I don't give a shit. My bad, bro. My bad for swearing. But I have to swear. Oh my god. No, I was so close. Oh my god. I almost beat my own. I almost beat the tower, bro. Oh my god. I almost beat the tower. Why are you speeding the time? Oh my god. I'm so mad. I'm so mad at you. Alright. My trail is visible. I swear I'm not doing this on purpose. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, boom, boom, boom. This is hard. And let me tell you, this is hard. Okay, we gotta jump over here. Boom. Wait for that to pass on. Nice. No. Ooh, sheesh. Sheesh. Okay. Oh my god, you're joking. Nice, someone made it. Okay, what is this? Funky Forest. What is this? I have to trust my instincts so much. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, are you serious, bro? Okay, no, I'm not yet. I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up. Never give up. Oh my god. Yeah, I think I might have to give up on this challenge. This is so bad. This is getting bad. Okay, jump, 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 jump. Stay right here. Wait for that to pass on. Boom. Jump, jump, jump. Wait for that to pass on. Jump. Wait for that to pass on. Jump. Instincts. Oh my god. People are getting in my way. Move. Oh my god. Jump. Nice, 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 nice. Alright. Funky Forest. Oh my god. What is this? Oh my god. I can't see my feet. Oh my, how? Okay. Okay. Damn. Oh my god. My trail is my guiding light. Come on. Oh my god, that was faster than I expected it to be. Okay, I guess. I'm gonna pause until I reach over there, and yeah. Yeah, that will be cheating. I'm sorry, but that will be cheating. I have to go raw over here, you know what I mean? The max time for me to beat a tower is 8 minutes, and the recording is 5 minutes long now. So you know what? I'm gonna do something what any sane person would do, is leave this tower and go to a different one, because this is too hard. Yeah, I'm a noob. Oh my god, zoom in. 20 seconds for what? Okay, we have to wait here, I guess. Oh, okay, I don't have to wait. Oh, it's that stage. Alright, I guess, let's go. Can someone please buy invis? Please. Invincibility. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't think I can do this. What? Why is the time going so? What? The time looks like it's speeded right now. It's sped up right now. Okay, this is my trail, so this is kind of my guiding light. So I can go. Probably do this. Okay, boom. Alright. I'm just follow this code. Okay. That worked somehow. Yeah, this is not 2 minutes. I swear someone speeded up, it's just not showing for me. It's just a glitch. Oh my god. Yeah, GG's. Okay. What is it? Oh, easy. It's easy. Okay, easy. Hold on. Something might be cooking here. This might be the tower that I beat. By the way, I'm gonna stretch the recording to like 10 minutes because 8 minutes is way too short. So let's go. What is this stage? Okay, seems simple. Okay, jump. Alright, let's go. Run. Bro, I'm in first person mode and somehow leading the pack. How am I leading the pack? I'm in first person mode. Oh my god. Can I? My god. Alright. Oh, you go over here. I'm doing the normal way for the first time. Alright, jump. Alright. Nice. Alright, this stage seems simple. Oh no! Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so hard. Yo, this is actually impossible. This is impossible. I cannot do this. Guys, so I'll just end the recording, and this is a failed challenge. I hope you enjoyed it though. I got pretty close at times, and hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to me. I'm only at 86 subs. I put a lot of effort in my videos. Please subscribe to me, please. Thank you.